How to hide Instagram posts from someone without blocking. For this, go ahead and open your Instagram application and make sure to log into your app. Now from here, tap on the profile icon and head to the hamburger icon at the top and head to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you find the option of Hide Story and Live. From this option, you'll be able to hide the story and live from some of the users that you want to hide it from. Now, it does not cover your posts. For that, what you can do is you can scroll down again and search for restricted, then tap on it. Tap on the option of continue. So if you have selected some of the restricted accounts, you'll be able to minimize interactions from there and they will not be able to know about your activity status, and also if they ever commented on your post, it will be hidden from the rest of your followers. So without blocking, you won't be actually able to cut off the entire post from a person. So you can follow some of the measures, such as control the audience of your new post. For an example, here is my new post. At the settings, you will see the option of audience. Tap on it. Now you can select your followers or your close friend, then tap on done. So those are some of the methods on how to hide a post from someone without blocking them. And that's pretty much it for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.